Ayun, may question ulit tayo sa isa sa aking mga video, paano gamitin ang GGives. So yung tanong is, one-time use po ba siya? Meaning yung GGives, like kunwari 18K offer, tas 10K lang ginamit ko, magagamit ko po ba ulit yung 8K? Ang sagot is yes and no. Bakit both? Kasi yes, dahil if may remaining limit ka pa sa GGives, magagamit mo pa yan as long as hindi ka pa nag-i-exceed. No, kasi may minimum limit spend si GGives. For example, kung minimum spend ng GGives niya is 9K, so hindi niya talaga magagamit yung 8K kasi may minimum spend. So meaning, kailangan muna niya bayaran yung first loan niya before niya magamit yung remaining credit limit niya. So if this video is helpful for you, forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!